See what we got going on here today.
My daughter's nosy.
Uh-huh. So now about to get this thing right. Fully serviced, one-on-one inspection, wheel alignment, spark plug, all changed, washed up, cleaned up, air in the tires. Let me hear that pipe purr. Oh, it's another one. Oh, you see it. Going up. You see how far that one's out of alignment? This lines up nice. Well alignment, new carburetor, spark plug. We working. So now that we're removing the carburetor and the all old gas in the filter, need a new gas filter. We might replace the lines if they're dry rotted once we try to disconnect it, but we're getting progress. So we'll have to clean the gas tank out. That's old gas sitting in the corner. Just the back of it. So let's clean it. So look how dry rotted this is. When it just start to break, it just break all over the place. So another dry rot. We're gonna replace it with brand new hose and a new filter. We're gonna put a nice high flow, brand new gas filter in there. Brand new lines. Let's go. It's time to get it right. Get the wheels cleaned up. Engine, fairings wiped. Nice and clean. New carburetors installed. New plugs installed. Air filter. Tank being re-cleaned out. New oil, new gas. We're gonna put the battery in this soon and we should be the crank soon. Stay tuned. This right here, I'm finding some wires loose. So we're just gonna test all the wires and go through the stator. We're getting some kind of feedback. I'll try to crank it in a second. We might get it going. Some more gas in there. It's ready. It's alive. Oh yeah, they're ready. Oh yeah. This is the part that's broke. We're gonna try to fix that to the gas. Nice and sealed. No gas running out of there. This dry rod, it broke off. But this is a filter. We'll replace that. See it? Or you see it. Another one up and going. Healthy. thing sound good. Another satisfied customer. Oh, you see it. She's out of here. Rolling. Oh, you see it. You gonna turn it down?
You sure? She ain't sure.
I recommend it.
You recommend say you see
I
it?
recommend it. The man is good. The man is good.
Say one more thing. You see it.
You see it. The man
Uh-huh.
is good.
Yes.
It's done. Another satisfied customer.
Yep,
So tell me overall what your experience, man, was like.
Good, man. The man did his thing 100%. The man communication was perfect. He beat the deadline.
That's
Christmas,
right.
This man beat the deadline, no problem at all. Stayed late, did his thing, did extra stuff to it that I ain't even asked for. I recommend the man all the time, 100%. I'm happy.
That's right. Let me hear you say you see it.
And you see it.
Oh, yeah. And we out of here.
Right.